Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now that being said, this process allows you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And as you can see, I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So number one, we're going to hold our power button, and we're going to select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into boot mode. So in here, using either volume button, either up or down, you want to make sure that you see right here recovery mode, like this, and then confirm it using your power button. Now next thing, we'll see a Android with no command, most likely. Yep, there we go. So to get past this, hold your power button and press volume up once, which will then redirect us to our recovery mode. Now in here again, you can use your volume buttons to navigate up or down, and using them, you want to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with your power button, and select factory data reset. You'll see formatting data at the bottom, and then next thing you'll see is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press your power button once again to confirm that, and so reboot the device and continue the process in the background. So because it's continuing resetting in the background, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, but don't worry, that's completely normal. Once it's finished doing whatever it's doing in the background, it will then boot up into our setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished. Now there is one last thing that I'm going to mention. So for people that see this kind of lock icon, this is going to appear whenever you perform this kind of reset of the device through recovery mode and you had your screen lock along with your Google account signed in on the device. What it is, it's an FRP lock, and what it means is when you're going to the setup, you'll need to verify either their previously used screen lock or Google account. And assuming you don't know either of those, you wouldn't be able to finish up the setup of your device. Now with that being said, I will be making a video on how we can bypass this for everyone who doesn't know either of those, so screen lock nor Google account. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned for the next video. Shameless plug, but there are most certainly people that might need this kind of thing. So anyway, so hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.